Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. What we do every Monday, Wednesday and Friday is we go through the charts on euro, dollar and gold, and I share with you what are our thoughts, what our analysis is, and what is the setup that we're currently looking at. Okay, now we're doing this because of the giveaway that is currently going on onto our website. So if you want to learn more about it, if you want to win a full Forex training or maybe a 12-month subscription to our closed group, you can check out our website. You can go on courses or the signal section and you can see what we can offer you. But you can currently win a 12-month subscription plan for free, and that's where you'll get a signal for every trade that we take, and also a daily analysis on all of our watch list, not just to instruments. So if you want to learn more about that, if you want to get involved, make sure to like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think about those setups, subscribe to our channel, and just check out the links in the description below this video, and have a look at our social media pages. Okay, now without further ado, let's see what is currently going on. I'm going to start off with euro dollar, and what we see is that euro dollar has been trading sideways ever since that massive candle happened here due to news. So price is pretty much closed in between those two levels and it is been trading sideways. And then Friday last week, and we had NFP, which also created this zone right here for us. And if you're looking for those really high probability setups, I would say wait for price to break above or below this previous zone. But if you're trading euro dollar and you want to be more active, you want to get involved into trades, then you can have a look at this zone right here and then wait for a breakout in either direction, and that will be your bias. Now if you ask me, I'm not going to be trading this one right now, but I still think there is a higher probability that we will see price breaking above that zone, basically above this wick here at 1.1330, and we'll see market reaching 1.1450. This is a target that I've been talking about in the previous videos as well, so if you haven't seen them, check them out as well on our YouTube channel. But what I'm going to be looking for is for price to potentially break above this zone, come back for a retest, and then maybe I'm going to be looking to take a long position up to around 1.1450. Okay, if you're not that patient and you want to get involved now, this will give you a really good risk to reward ratio with a stop loss of about 20 pips only and a potential profit of about 160 pips. So obviously, a massive risk to reward ratio, a great setup, not very confirmed though. So if you are taking, more risky trades, this is the types of setups that you should be looking for with a big risk to reward ratio, something that is really worth it. Because if you're taking such a risky trades, you'll have a lot of losing trades. But losing 20 pips to gain 160 pips, it really gives you that room for mistake pretty much all the time. So if you are trading such setups, then this is something that you could be looking for. If you're more conservative, just like I am, to be honest, I would rather wait to see a breakout happening, and then I'd like to look for potential opportunities. Okay, now this is one of the setups that we're looking at, and like I said, we're going to go over gold as well, where I actually think we've got a much better opportunity. Okay, so before the NFP, I've mentioned that the news are a good moment for price to reverse, if it will. And so we're looking at this downside move here on gold. Price has reached the 1760 level, and it's also a level that we talked about in the previous videos. And so once it reached it, I was then looking for a potential reversal, a new bottom, new low, fixed low, and then price to continue in the upside direction. And although we didn't get a new bottom, what we saw was this candle right here, which happened on Friday, a long wick to the upside. And so following price action here, we've got, we started trading sideways pretty much around that level here. So we created this support, and although price broke below it, you can see that it created a low, then a slightly lower low, and the next time after the pullback, it couldn't go any lower, and it actually held above the previous low, right? We then broke above that candle here, a bullish impulse. We're currently retesting that level again, and from now on we could actually expect to see price higher. Then I placed my fib retracement level here on the 4-hour time frame, swing high down here to swing low, and I'm looking for potentially that 61.8 retracement level, and I can easily use that as my target. So the 61.8 is at around 1832, 1833. But let's say we're going to be looking at, more of an even number. So let's say around 1830. That's what you should go for take profits. Let's say 1820 to 1830. We just want to be, more secure with that choice. So again, a pretty decent opportunity. You can use a stop loss of about $20 right down below this low, which means around 1765, and then you're going to be looking for take profit at around 1830. So a pretty decent risk to reward ratio on this setup as well. And if you see price coming down here, then you want to get out of this trade, especially if it breaks below this low, because obviously that means there's still some selling pressure, and the market is not ready to reverse. Okay, and I would really suggest to look for profits up here and not anywhere higher, because we could see price coming up here and then immediately again testing previous levels down here. So watch out for this setup. Again, get involved in the comment section. Tell me what do you think about current trades on gold or euro dollar. Obviously there's other trading opportunities across the pairs that you see down here. So if you want to learn more about how we trade, what strategies we use, if you want to receive all of our trading signals, every take that we trade, we can send out that to you as well. We've got a private Telegram channel. You can get in touch with us so we can put you in, or again, with that giveaway that we're currently doing, you can win a mentorship, you can win a full Forex training. Head over to our website trendlineforex.com and you can see what we offer, courses, signals, expert advisors, pretty much all of it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and I wish you all successful trading.